Here's how to connect Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, go to Google Tag Manager website. The website will look like this. Now click on Create Account. In this next window, first enter your name and then select your country. After this, enter your website name. Now select Website and click on Create button. Next window will look like this. Now agree all the terms and policies and click on Save button. Now your Google Tag Manager account is created. Next, we have to create Google Analytics account, so go to the Google Analytics website, and the website will look like this. So here, click on Start Measuring button. After this, you have to write account name. Here, you can also write your own name. So I write Usama Yunus. Now just scroll down and check all these options and click on Next button. After this, you have to write your property name. It means your website name. Now select your reporting time zone according to yours, and next you have to select your currency, then click on Next button. Next pop-up will look like this. Here, first you have to select your category. After this, select your business size. Then click on Next button, and here you have to select your objective. Just select one of them, and then click on Create button. The next pop-up will look like this. Here, you have to select all the terms and policies of Google Analytics and click on I accept. Next, you have to select your platform, that is, website, so click on Web button. Next window will look like this. Here, you have to enter your website URL. So I go to my website and copy the link and paste it here, and then click on Create Stream. After this, you have to copy this ID. Now back to the Google Tag Manager and click on Add a new tag. Now you can add the title from here, and now click on Tag Configuration, and then click on this one. Next, you have to paste the ID that you have copied from Google Analytics account. Now click here and select All Pages and click on Add button. Now click on Save button, and again click on Save button. Now click on Submit button. Then click on Publish button, then Continue. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager.